Hi, I'm Matthew Lolty Hepworth, and I caught the Yaogan Weixing-26 rocket body re-entry into Earth's atmosphere on February 23rd, 2015. I was traveling with my Dashcam, and so I just wanted to put this information out there just in case it helps anybody determine the trajectory and so forth. So I was traveling north-northwest on US Highway 6, coming back from Price, Utah, and I had my Dashcam running here, and so I will show you the event in its entirety, and then I will go back and show you where I was on the map. But it starts about here, and I'll just go into full screen mode. I'm actually going to fast forward here a little bit because it doesn't really show up until about this time in the video. So it'll happen right up here in the very top portion of the screen. And there it is. You can see a tiny bit of the contrail or the debris trail that it was leaving behind. And I still hadn't seen it at this point. I was looking ahead, and it wasn't until it really dropped into my field of vision that I could see it. And it was quite a bit brighter than it appears in this very, very dark video, mostly consisting of orange fire as that tail that it left was trailing behind. And it struck me so hard that I had to pull over and watch it. Took quite some time for it to disappear. Seemed like it was getting much, much, much smaller. And then I couldn't tell if it actually went over a mountain or over the horizon or burned out. Still not quite sure. All the data hasn't really been researched by me yet. But when I really couldn't see it much anymore, I continued on, because I thought maybe if it was about to go behind the mountain, I would get closer to I-15 to see if I could see it anymore. But at this point, it's pretty much gone. So let me go back and just show you that sequence again, but you can reference that on this map over here and look at the GPS coordinates as well. So it is this video, and it starts about here. And there it comes into view. And that's when I decided to pull over. The video clips overlap just a little bit. Still barely visible. Barely, barely. So, again, I don't know if that's helpful to anybody, but if you need to contact me, my email address is mattlth@me.com. That's M as in Mike and E as in Edward.com.